Respected teachers and sir, I am Chesta Chikara from 6B class and today I am going to giving a speech on Republic Day. It is an important day for all the Indians today when a few fellow Indians talk about the fear of losing basic rights that the Constitution has given us. This day becomes more important. We celebrate Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understand the real importance of this day when we grow up. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day in the year 1950, Constitution of India came into effect. Our Constitution gives us various rights and responsibilities to we are in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights and society. We have to give a social difference, caste, religions or many other things that separate us, but on a broader picture we all are Indians. India is a land which is great example of unity in diversity. The beauty of our country is we have a different languages and we also have a conflicts and differences, but on national festival we all stand as a united force since childhood. 26 January has been a memorable day for all of us. Many of us may recall this day as a festival and celebrates it is schools by participating in culture programs and in other activities for a few of up. This is a day we get up to watch the Republic Day parade, the military parade that starts from Vijay Chowk and culminates at the Red Fort in the national capital Delhi. The weapons and the equipment that the shows the parade reflect the power of our armed forces. On this day, the award and medals of bravery are also given to the armed forces and go to the civilians. To the main attraction for the bravery awards in the young kids who are they are awarded by Prime Minister for showing ultimate bravery besides being young, who have saved the lives of other people when the helicopters of past. The armed force fly past the parade area and show the rose petals on the audience. Everyone feels special the programs and with the national anthem, whether you are at give up respect to the national anthem. It is a day that makes us think beyond the caste, creed, religion, state, language and color, and to creed feel to someone of loving and emotions of our country. Happy Republic